Okay, 11th question. A container is filled with a mixture of helium and oxygen at the same temperature. What do you mean by same temperature? It means the average kinetic energy is same, is equal for both of them. Now, what do you mean by average kinetic energy is equal? Which means, how do you write average kinetic energy? This should be half mv square for helium. For helium should be equal to half mv square for which one? Oxygen. Oxygen, right? So this is what we understand. Okay. So therefore, now what I can do is I can now write. So I can cancel this half and half here. M and M can I cancel? No, I cannot cancel because we do not know. So here it is M helium and this is M oxygen over here. Okay. So now what is it to say? The mass of 1 mole. Let us take, because we have to consider some standardization. Let us take 1 mole over here. So if I take 1 mole over here, so what do I do? I can now write 1 mole will weigh 4 grams. It's already given. Molar mass is 4 grams. So 4 grams of helium if I take, and V helium square is equal to M oxygen. What is it? 32 grams of 1 mole of oxygen multiplied by V oxygen square. We've got this. What is the ratio? Average speed of helium molecules divided by oxygen molecules. What is he asking here? V helium by V oxygen. Let us do that. So therefore, V helium square by V oxygen square is equal to 32 by 4, which is equal to 8, right? So which implies this ratio V helium divided by V oxygen is equal to root 8. Okay, so the answer is C. I hope you understand this. So what I have actually done here is that I consider 1 mole of helium and 1 mole of oxygen, and for that, because I have to standardize it. Okay, so therefore, and then I said the 1 mole of oxygen and 1 mole of helium has the same kinetic energy. So and then I concluded with this one. Thus the answer is C. Okay, let us move on to the next one.